lesson is about lines and angles and the last portion of it. Okay, lines and angles, the last portion of it. So today I'll be teaching you angle sum property theorem, then exterior angle theorem, and then we'll be solving some problems based on that. So now we'll start with angle sum property of a triangle. So let us start with angle sum property of a triangle. The first question is, prove that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now you know this, isn't it? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. You have already learned in 7th standard and all, and you have been doing it. Today we are going to prove that using whatever you have learned till date. Okay. So angle sum property of a triangle, when I take here, I have angle 1. Can you see? The three angles of a triangle. You'll have to write angle sum property of a triangle, prove that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and then you will draw this figure. Now see here carefully. This is angle 1. I'm marking it as angle 1. This angle I'm marking it as angle 2. And this angle I'm marking it as angle 3 of triangle ABC. I'm naming the triangle as ABC. And I am drawing a line PQ that is parallel to BC. So the question is, prove that. So we have to start. To prove. What is that we have to prove? To prove. What is that we have to prove? We have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove that this is equal to 180 degree. And for prove, what are we constructing? We are constructing something. What is the construction we have made? We have made PQ parallel to, we have drawn a line PQ parallel to BC. PQ parallel to BC. Now we are going to give the proof. Okay. Now the proof. How are we going to give the proof, children? Now this angle is 1. I'll name this as 3. 1, 2, 3 is there. So this angle as 4 and this angle I'll give as 5. Now what do you get? PQ is a, what sort of line is it? PQ is a straight line. So when PQ is a straight line, then what can we write? Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 1 will be equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because they are angles on a straight line. Because they are angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Okay. Now what are you going to show? PQ is parallel to BC. So what can you say about this angle 4 and angle 2? Angle 4 and angle 2. What can you say about angle 4 and angle 2? These lines are parallel. See what I'm drawing here. Yeah, correct. They are alternate interior angles. So what do you get? Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. They are alternate interior angles. Is there any other alternate interior angle there? Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. That is also alternate interior angles. So you see here, this equation, I name it as 1. Here I name it as 2. And this one I am naming it as 3. Now in place of angle 4, I'll put angle 2. Can you see that? Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. So angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So angle from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. What do I get? Angle 5. In place of angle 4 is equal to angle 2. So I am writing here angle 2. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So I am writing here angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus what is the last one? Angle 1. That is equal to 180 degree. This is what we are asked to prove. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Hence proved. We have proved the angle sum property of the triangle. So now moving on to exterior angle of a triangle. Now let us see what is exterior angle and what we are talking about. Now here I am taking a triangle that is ABC. I am taking a triangle ABC here. So name it as A, B and C. Now this angle I'll name it as angle 1. This angle as angle 2. And this angle as angle 3. Now children, you can write it as angle ABC plus angle ACB, etc. But for convenience, I'm taking it as 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now this angle here, angle 4. This is outside the triangle. This is exterior of the triangle. All the angles 1, 2 and 3 are inside the triangle. Whereas angle 4 that I have marked is outside the triangle. And how have I got that angle? That is, if a side of a triangle is produced, a side of a triangle is produced. So here I am producing the side BC. This side BC, I am extending it. Producing means extending it. Make it move further. So I am extending side BC. When I extend it, then there is an exterior angle. Then there is an angle formed outside the triangle. The theorem states that if a triangle side is produced, then the exterior angle formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, so now there are three interior angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are interior angles. Now we have to find interior opposite angles. Now see here, angle 3 is standing near to 4. It is touching 4 and standing. So that we call as adjacent. Okay, so what are the opposite angles now? Angle 1 and angle 2 are the opposite angles. So the theorem states that if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So what they are saying is, to prove, what is that we have to prove? We have to prove that this exterior angle formed, that is angle 4, is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles, that is angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, so angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now how are we going to do this, children? How will we do this? It is very easy from what you have learned. So we are not constructing anything. We are directly giving the proof. We need not construct anything. Proof. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to how much? Just now we proved 180 degree. What is the reason? That is angle sum property of, yes, angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangles. So we have just now we have proved that. So using that, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That is first one. Then see angle 3 plus angle 4. What will be angle 3 plus angle 4? 180 degree. That will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Yes, linear pair. It is on the straight line, isn't it? Angles on a straight line you can write, or you can write linear pair. There are only two angles. So angle 3 plus angle 4 should be 180 degree. Now look at first and second. Angle 3 is here. Angle 3 is here. Now what can you say? What about angle 1 and angle 2? From 1 and 2, what do you get? Don't think about interior angles and all those things. Just look at these two equations that I have written. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to, right hand sides you see. Right hand sides are equal, 180, 180. Isn't it? So what about the left hand sides? Left hand sides should be equal. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 should be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Have you understood? Because the right hand sides are equal, left hand sides also should be equal. Now cancel out angle 3 on both the sides. What do you get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Hence, proved. This is what we were asked to prove. Have you got it? Now see the question here. There is a figure given here. This is the textbook question. I have taken it from the textbook. Okay. The figure is given here. Read the question. What is the question given? Question goes like this. Sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR. Sides, there are QP side is here, QP is there, and then you have RQ. RQ is here. These two sides are produced. Produced means they are extended. RQ is drawn again further and QP is also drawn again further. So you get two angles, that is angle SPR as 135 degree and you are getting angle PQT as 110 degree. Find angle PRQ. Which is the angle that you are supposed to find? PRQ. Is it inside or outside the triangle? Inside the triangle. So we are supposed to find angle PRQ. Think and tell me how you are going to find that angle PRQ. Which linear pair? Tell me. Very good, very good. So, what will be this angle, children? Angle PQR. Angle PQR plus angle PQT should be equal to 180. Why? I am talking about these two angles, 110 and this question mark what I have put. These two angles, it should add up to 180 degree. Why? They are linear pair. They are linear pair. Very good. So we have got angle PQR. That is our question mark. Angle PQR plus PQT, we got it as 110. That is equal to 180. Then what is angle PQR? 180 minus 110. Very good. The answer will be 70. Correct. So you get angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. So you get this as 70. Okay. Now what about angle QPR? This we got it as 70 degree. Now what about this angle? What can you say about that angle? Again linear pair. You can see this there is this straight line. This straight line is there. On that straight line, what can you write? Angle SPR plus angle QPR is equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Again it is linear pair. It is on a straight line. So it is again linear pair. What is angle SPR? It is given in the question. SPR is 135 plus angle QPR is equal to 180. Now what will you get? Angle QPR is equal to 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45. Very good. That is equal to 45. So now how do you get this? You got this angle as 45. Now we look at the triangle PQR. Look at the triangle PQ and R. You got PQR triangle. You got this angle as 70 degree. You got this angle as 45 degree. Now we are asked to find this angle PRQ. How will you get that? What will be this equal to? 45 plus 70 plus 180 degree. Why? Everywhere you have to write the reason why you are thinking that it should be like that. Only if you write the reason correctly, you'll get the mark. Angle sum property of triangle. We have got that. Now, what do you get? 45 plus 70 is how much? 115 plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. Then what is angle PRQ? 180 minus 115. What is the answer? 65 degree. Check out this question. Now before solving, I'm just asking you to think and tell me how we are going to do this question. First think clearly and then tell. After discussing, we'll write it. Okay. What you're doing is, in triangle, the big triangle, we are going to take the big triangle here. In triangle X, Y, Z. In triangle X, Y, Z, the first angle is 62 degree plus 54 degree. If you don't write also, it is okay. 62 plus 54 plus angle Z is equal to how much? 180 degree. These are the three angles. That is angle sum property. That is because of the angle sum property of triangles. Then can you find angle Z? Angle sum property of triangles. What is angle Z then? What is 62 plus 54? 116. What will be the answer of angle Z then? That will be 64 degree. Got it? So angle Z is equal to 64 degree. Now what is given? OZ is the bisector of angle Z. OZ is the bisector of angle Z. If it is the bisector of angle Z, then therefore angle A is equal to half of angle Z. Have you understood that? Bisector means it is dividing the angle into half. So angle Z is this whole angle. This whole angle we have got it as, we have found it as 64 degree. This whole angle is 64. Now angle A is bisector. This OZ is bisector means angle A is half of Z. Half of Z means half of 64. That is equal to 32 degree. Okay, angle A is equal to 32 degree. Now what else is given? OY is bisector of which angle? Angle Y. Here it is given. YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and angle ZY. So these are bisecting. So OY is bisector of angle Y. Now if I name this as C, then what is angle C? That is angle C is equal to half of angle Y. That is equal to half of angle Y is how much? 54. What is the answer? What is the answer? Half of 54. 27 degree. Angle C is equal to 27 degree. Now you see the small triangle. Small triangle in between. Which is small triangle? In triangle O, Y, Z. I am taking this triangle, small one. O, Y, Z. Now in this triangle, what do you get? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is again angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangles. Okay. So what is angle A? We have got angle A as 32 plus angle B as, we don't know angle B, we have to find angle B plus angle C as 27 is equal to 180. Then what is angle B? 180 minus 32 plus 27 is 59. Then what is the answer? (121 degree). Understood? So you got both the angles. Therefore, the question is angle OZY is equal to, OZY is of which one? Angle A. OZY is equal to angle A is equal to 32 degree. And the other one was, you are asked to find angle YOZ. YOZ is equal to angle B equal to 121 degree. Now the next question. If AB is parallel to DE, there are two lines given here. AB is given and then you are given DE. AB is parallel to DE. So these two are parallel lines. Then what about angle 35 and this angle E? What? They are alternate interior angles. So what will be the value of angle E here? That will be 35. Isn't it? That will be 35 degree. Now, angle BAC is given as 35. It is given angle BAC is 35 and angle CDE is 53. That is also given here. Angle CDE is 53. Find angle DCE. Which is the angle that we have to find? Angle DCE. This is the angle that they are asking us. Have you got the angle? How will you get? Fast. Very easy. Yes. So how will we write that? Now we know that angle A is equal to angle E is equal to 35 degree. That is what we have written first. Angle A is equal to angle E is equal to 35 degree. What is the reason? They are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Which are the lines parallel? AB parallel to DE. AB line parallel to DE. In that case, A and E are alternate interior angles. Now once we get that 35, then we know that 35 plus 53 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property of triangle. Which is the triangle we are taking? Triangle DCE. Triangle DCE. Now you tell me what will be angle C. Angle C will be equal to 180 minus 88. What will be the answer? 92. Angle C is equal to 92. Got it? Isn't it easy? Now moving on to the next question. Now read the question carefully. If the lines PQ and RS intersect at point T, there is PQ. This is the line PQ is here. The line PQ is here. P to Q. PQ is here. And there is RS. RS is this line here. PQ and RS intersect at point 2, T. This point of intersection is known as T, such that angle PRT equal to 40 degree. Angle PRT. This angle is given as 40 degree. It is marked there 40 degree. Angle RPT is 95 degree. This angle is given as 95 degree. And angle TSQ is 75 degree. This angle is given as 75 degree. Find angle SQT. So which is the angle that you are supposed to find? Can you mark that angle? Drawing the figure and all, you draw rough figure, children. You don't take time much to draw the figure and all. Okay. Draw just rough figure because figure will be given in your. So this is the angle that you are asked to find, SQT. Now how are you going to find this? Given this is 40 and this is 95, can you find this angle? How? Angle sum property. That is, you'll get 95 plus 40 plus angle T is equal to 180. Why? Angle sum property of triangle. Which is a triangle? Which is the triangle we are using there? Name the triangle. PRT. Triangle PRT. Now what is angle T here? 180 minus 95 plus 40 is 135. So what will be the answer of angle T? 45 degree. So you're getting this angle as 45. Now if this angle is 45, what about this? Angle STQ is also equal to 45. Why? Vertically opposite angles. So you got this angle as 45. Here this is 75. This angle is 75. Now what about angle Q? How can you write? 75 plus 45 plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. That is again angle sum property. Which is the triangle we are using? Triangle STQ or SQT, anyway you can name it. Then what is angle Q you are getting? 180 minus angle Q is equal to 60 degree. Have you got it? Question given, you have to show that angle P, half of angle P is equal to angle T. So what we are taking the first in triangle, we are taking the big triangle, triangle PQR. What we get is angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS, or we get angle QPR. This is our exterior angle theorem. That is why we are getting it. Angle QPR is equal to angle PRS minus angle PQR. Or making it half whole throughout, we get half QPR is half of angle and half of this. Now we write half of angle QPR is equal to half of angle PRS. That is this angle, half of angle it is bisecting, so we'll take this angle TRS minus half of angle PQR. We'll take the other half here because it is belonging to the next triangle. That is why we are taking it, angle TQR. This is our first equation. Now we are taking the next triangle. In triangle TQR, we get angle QTR plus angle TQR is equal to angle TRS. That is exterior angle theorem. Now what do you get? Angle QTR is equal to angle TRS minus angle TQR. That is our second equation. Now from 1 and 2. We are proving that half of angle QPR is equal to angle QTR. Because right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides should be equal. Okay.